Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change wipers on your BMW 4 Series. It's an easy guide that will help you maintain clear visibility. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the ignition off. Then, gently lift the wiper arms into their service position. This simple preparation step is crucial for a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's remove the old wiper blades. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade downwards or outwards, depending on your specific model. It should detach with relative ease. Repeat this for both the driver's and passenger's side, being careful not to scratch your windshield. Installing the new wiper blades is just as straightforward. Take your new blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Double-check that both the driver's and passenger's side blades are firmly attached before proceeding. This ensures they won't come loose during operation. With the new blades installed, gently lower both wiper arms back onto your windshield. Before driving, activate your wipers with some windshield washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the glass effectively. Listen for any unusual noises and observe the wipe pattern. Regular inspection of your wiper blades is key for maintaining excellent visibility and safety on the road.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.